Alright, so my car hasn't started in about 2 weeks. Put the computer on and got a map sensor check, so bought this shit right here. And got this from O'Reilly's, and I pulled everything out. Pulled this off, this, that, all the connectors, and I sprayed all the electricals in them, and I sprayed the throttle body. Put a brand new battery in here. Gave it a tune-up, changed the spark plugs, changed the fuel filter. And have to get in here and try to start it up. Nothing. My battery's probably drained. Yeah. The check engine light is off, and probably gonna need to boost it. So I'm gonna give it a jump, and when I get back, hopefully we'll see if this bitch starts. If not, smoke that loud pack. Yeah. This is the 98 Pontiac Grand Am SE 2.4 liter twin cam. And prior to her shutting off completely, she would stall out on me, and I would have to wait about a fucking hour. To which, after that hour, she would start up and run fine. '98 Pontiac Grand Am 2.4 liter SE. Shit. Anybody got any suggestions or anything like that? Please let me know. I'll upload the next video after I attempt to jump her when I get somebody to come by. And just let me know what you guys think it could be. Any help would be appreciated. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Even though this is a crap video. Shit, thanks a lot, guys.